Welcome to this step-by-step guide to Revolut crypto fees. Revolut is a popular financial services company that allows users to buy, sell, and hold various cryptocurrencies. Understanding the fees associated with crypto transactions on Revolut is essential to make informed decisions. First, it is essential to note that Revolut offers different plans, including standard, premium, and metal, each with its own set of features and fees. The standard plan is free, while premium and metal plans come with a monthly subscription fee. To buy or sell cryptocurrencies on Revolut, you need to have a funded account. You can fund your account using a debit or credit card, bank transfer, or other payment methods. The fees for buying or selling cryptocurrencies on Revolut vary depending on your plan and the type of cryptocurrency. For the standard plan, the fee for buying or selling cryptocurrencies is 2.5% of the transaction amount. For the premium and metal plans, the fee is 1.5% and 1% respectively, but only if you are within your exchange fair usage limit. The exchange fair usage limit is a monthly limit that applies to the premium and metal plans. For the premium plan, the limit is £6,000 per month, while for the metal plan, it is £12,000 per month. If you exceed this limit, the fee for buying or selling cryptocurrencies increases to 2.5%. In addition to the buying and selling fees, Revolut also charges a spread, which is the difference between the buy and sell price of a cryptocurrency. The spread varies depending on market conditions and can range from 0.5 to 5%. To minimize your crypto fees on Revolut, consider upgrading to a premium or metal plan, which offers lower fees and higher exchange limits. You should also be aware of the exchange fair usage limit to avoid higher fees. Additionally, consider using a bank transfer to fund your account, as this method is often free or has lower fees compared to using a debit or credit card. In conclusion, understanding Revolut crypto fees is crucial to making the most out of your cryptocurrency transactions. By choosing the right plan, being aware of the exchange fair usage limit, and using the right funding method, you can minimize your fees and maximize your returns.